Hello and welcome to our YouTube video how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from phone to phone or how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps used by millions of people worldwide. If you are switching from an Android device to an iPhone, then restoring your WhatsApp backup may seem like a daunting task. But don't worry, in this video, we will show you step by step how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from one phone to another. iToolApp WhatsGo is a powerful software that enables you to transfer WhatsApp data between different devices. With this software, you can easily transfer all your WhatsApp messages, photos, videos, voice messages and attachments from your iPhone or Android device to another iPhone or Android device. After downloading, install this, and after installation, launch the software. You will see the interface like this. It comes with a ton of features that make it an amazing tool for WhatsApp users. With this, you can easily transfer all your WhatsApp and WhatsApp business chats, including messages, photos, videos, and voice messages from one device to another. It also allows you to create a complete backup of your WhatsApp data, including messages, photos, videos, and voice messages. You can store the backup on your computer and restore it at any time. If you have lost or accidentally deleted your WhatsApp messages, iToolApp WhatsGo can help you to restore them from your backup. And yeah, you can also restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. To transfer WhatsApp data between Android and iOS devices, click on Start. Connect both of your phones to the PC. The WhatsApp messages will transfer from source phone to destination one. Make sure the positions of source and destination are correct. If not, click on this arrow button to change the position. Then click transfer. Now select the WhatsApp data you want to transfer to the target device. This is a good chance to decide which kind of data you want to keep or leave. After successful connection, the first step is to turn on end-to-end encrypted WhatsApp backup on the Android device. Just follow the prompted instructions to backup. And don't forget to take a screenshot to save the encrypted WhatsApp backup password. Now wait until WhatsApp transfer completes. If there is a large amount of WhatsApp data on your phone, it will take some time to complete the process. After WhatsApp backup has been generated, you need to verify the 64-bit encrypted backup with password. Ensure the cables are connected during WhatsApp transfer. In a while, the transfer will be complete. Now the process has completed successfully. That's it for this video on iToolApp WhatsGo. As you have seen, this software is the ultimate WhatsApp transfer tool. It's user-friendly, powerful, and packed with amazing features. If you are a WhatsApp user, we highly recommend this tool. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.